On this video, we're going to be seeing on how to set up your eWallet over on the Affiliates tab and on the Get Paid tab. So we're going to go down here and we're going to click on Set Up Your eWallet. And this eWallet is just a wallet where you can collect your money made from affiliates. So you're going to click on Set Up Your Wallet. This green box over here is really important, so we're just going to read it real quick. You have to enter your name and other information exactly as it appears on your legal documents, like passport or ID card, to avoid any delays in processing or your transactions. And also, once you sign up, an email from this email over here will be sent to you to complete your registration. So over here, we're going to choose a username. And then you're going to put your first name, last name, and email. And also your date of birth. Once you do all this, you can click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to get an email from that email over here so you can confirm your account. So you're going to click on continue. And that is it. I already got the email. If I go to my mail real quick, I can see the email right here. It's telling me my username, my password. It will give me a random password so I can change it after I log in. But once you click on this link right over here, your account will be verified and ready to go. So if I click on it, it will say my account will be activated. Once I click continue, it will take me to the login screen. And this is how you guys first set up your eWallet.